Although we can find a handful of CSS reset files on the internet that, when attached to our HTML, will reset all there is to the default browser stylings. After all, this is the purpose of the CSS reset files, that it resets every styling applied by the browser. But since what you're going to be doing is not just watching me implement the Google homepage, throughout the course, our purpose has been to first properly understand the concept and then implement it. Therefore, we shall implement the reset CSS file ourselves. First, because implementing it ourselves will further improve our concept of default browser styling. And second, because the resetting we need is very basic and is just a matter of a couple of lines of codes. So let's implement our file. We just need to make sure that the elements that we'll be using in our file have no default margins and paddings. So let's just set the margins and paddings of most frequently used elements to 0. We know that to apply the same styling to more than one element, we just separate those with the comma and define a single styling for them all. So let's set the margins and paddings to 0 for paragraph, div, UL element, li, body, header, and footer. Set the margin to 0 and set the padding to 0. This is the shorthand way of setting the margins and paddings of all sides to 0, that is top, right, bottom, and left. Save our file, and that's it. Now that we are done with our reset file, in next video we'll begin coding our header. Thanks for watching.